Loraine.
Hello.
Welcome to the Skills Center.
Thank you very
How are you
much
doing
for
today?
having me. I'm very well, thank you.
Awesome.
Lovely weather in Cape Town today. Well, thank you for inviting us. I'm so excited to learn more about the AWS Skills Center. Do you want to take us around and show us a little bit of what's happening here?
Absolutely.
Well, first, before we go,
yes.
Tell us what you do here.
Okay, so I am the site leader for the Skills Center. So that means that I look after the center from a marketing and awareness point of view, as well as for the day-to-day running, setting up classes, looking after the trainers, and then also working with our customers and partners if they have particular audiences that would benefit from attending some of our training. What makes the Skills Center different from the other AWS education programs is that our training is all AWS instructor-led and it's free. So we kick off with what we call as our information series, which is also known as a career series. Covers topics like an introduction to AWS Cloud, how do you build a cloud career, what are the job roles in the cloud, why should you get certified? And then we've just added demystifying generative AI because it's a very hot topic at the moment.
Exactly.
And then our second series is run over 2 days. There's 4 parts to it of 3.5 hours each. And we typically run those back to back. So let's say as an example, in week 1, we have our info series on the first day, and then we'll start with cloud computer foundations on day 2 and day 3. And then the following week, we'd run our final series, which is called Becoming a Cloud Practitioner. Now, traditionally, that's a 1-day course called Cloud Essentials, which is run by one of our training partners. So if you think of like Bytes or Mercer as an example, and that's followed then by a full 3.5-hour lab class, and we also run an exam readiness class as learners are preparing to take their cloud practitioner exam. The purpose behind our curriculum is really to help a young adult kickstart a career in cloud, and so it provides them with the full fundamentals they need before they can think about moving on to, you know, a different certification level like solution architect or DevOps. And we want them to get a feeling of whether this is something they'd want to go into first.
Create excitement.
Exactly.
Yes.
It's free. They can do it as many times as they want to. We are one of 3 skill centers for Amazon Web Services. We have one in Seattle and one in Arlington, Virginia. And that also benefits a South African audience because let's say you are in a career you got into after school, don't really love it, thinking of moving into a technology career. So you work Monday to Friday, 8 to 5. You could potentially attend evening classes at one of our US skill centers. The curriculum is exactly the same.
That's incredible. Wow. And obviously, as part of this, you're also helping to create future skills for the industry. So do you have any services where the young people that come here get exposed to corporates for job opportunities?
Absolutely. So we do look for mechanisms to support our graduates from the Skills Center find entry-level job opportunities. And so this year we launched a career day and we invited some of our customers and partners. We had 2 this year, 2024, in case this video is watched in 10 years time from now. But we launched career days where our customers and partners came in to present their early career talent programs. And we invited our audience, our graduates. So let's say as an example, they run a internship program, a learnership program, and maybe a graduate program. The tech HR talent teams would come in and present those to our audience, and those would cover things like intake dates, how to apply, where to apply, what your resume should include, and all kinds of little bits. And so that fast tracks one of our graduates' entry points into an early career talent role. And we'll continue to do that in next year.
It's all the right information. We find often that young people, the CVs aren't, quite right. We get a lot of CVs that come across our desk. So